for a family. And it's trying to record the money in, money out for this family. So on the left side is going to be the money in, and that's usually called the debit side. So I label that DR for debit. Okay, I know DR doesn't exactly sound an abbreviation for debit, but that's what they use. And CR is for credit. So CR is for the spending side. Okay so far? Okay. So if I just imagine my dates, let's say for example we start off, we're now in February, so let's say February 1st. We started off an amount of money. Now think of this as plus side and minus side. Okay? So we started off an amount of money, and we call the money have the beginning of the balance. So balance brought down, BD. So that's the money we had left over from the end of the previous month. So let's say the amount of money is €100. So we had €100 left over that we didn't spend last month, so this is what we're starting off with. Then we went and spent some money. We spent some money on groceries. Which side is that going to be on, DR or CR? Okay, so I put in groceries. Let's just say, for example, this happened on February 2nd. Okay, so you will, in the exam, you will be expected to have your dates and to go with this. Yes, Andrew?
So if you do have your dates there,
yeah.
So the credit and debit doesn't matter which side, like it said that and then it doesn't matter what line you put in.
Okay, what we try and do is, will be chronological. Okay, as in the first spending, okay, we'll put at the beginning. If we can be chronological. If you make a mistake and you get things slightly out of order, that's okay, so long as you have all of them for the same period all put together. And we're dealing with the period of February. So let's just say February 6th, we went and we paid for, let's say, petrol. And let's say it's €25. We got, let's say, money, so we had wages. Came in on February, let's say 15th, okay, and the wages, let's say, is €1,120. Okay so far? Yeah. Then let's just say February 22nd, we paid for insurance. Let's just say that was €400. Okay so far? Yeah. Okay, so obviously we can put more of these in as needs be. Next thing we need to do is we now get to the end of the month of February, and we need to find out what has happened during the month of February, okay? And how are we set up at the end of the month? Are we in a good financial position or a bad financial position? So we need to find out how much money we have. So that's the thing called balance in the account. Now, how do you think we should do this? What should we do, Louis?
The DR together.
Okay, so we're going to add the DR. So we have those two numbers added together, and we put the answer on top. Now, usually I would do this. You get let's say a red pen or a pencil, but I'm going to put the answer on top, and I'm going to do something similar here. Yeah, okay. So I'm adding all of these numbers together. Okay, fantastic. And again, I'm going to put that in red so we can see it. Any suggestions what we should do next, James? Fantastic. So I want to find the difference. Okay, so I want to find my difference figure here, or let's say if I shorten it now, so let's say the difference. Now, so the difference then is I'm just going to take one from the other. So the big side, take away the small side. Is everyone okay with that? Yeah. Okay. Now, what we do is we're going to add the difference to the smaller side. I'm doing a thing called balancing. I want the two sides to have the same amount in them. At the moment, the big side has 1,220 in it. The small side has 470. I need to make the two of them the same. So I'm going to have to add this difference to the small side. Okay? Pardon?
If you add 750 plus 440, do you get the same?
We'll end up with both sides having the same. That's the idea. So this difference figure is called the balance. So this is the balance carried down, which is the end of the month. In this case, it's February. I'm putting the date on it, February 28th. Okay? So I've added the difference to the small side. So now I'm going to put a total on the same line on both sides. I'm going to put a total in. And the way we do this is we use a red pen and ruler. Okay? And we'll have a single line on top and a double line underneath. Okay? What do I get when I add this number up? When I add all this side up, what do I get? Okay, I've already done it, so 1,220 goes there. What do I get when I add this side up?
1,200.
The same. Yeah. Okay, and that means that the next month, which is March, I'll have a balance brought down. No,
407.
the difference.
Oh, so you don't carry it down the total?
I do. This, no, I don't carry down the total, I carry down the difference.
Oh,
Because this is the money I have to start the next month.